Alright, now we're ready to start assembling our pins. I again have my non-spring safety pins. Those are jewelry pins that we're going to use. And I'm going to start off with one of my silver spacers. And it's got a nice hole pre-drilled for me. I'm just going to slide that on like so. And I'm going to use a black power bead. And I'm going to slide that one on. And then I use another spacer. And I like to use spacers in between all the beads. It breaks them up, gives a little extra color. And I'm going to close this pin. And then you're ready to start connecting your pins. We're going to make a power pin bracelet today. So through the hole of your other safety pin, you're just going to slide that through and let it dangle as so. And repeat the process once again. Start off with a spacer and then another bead. And then we're going to close that pin. And now we began making the links to our bracelet.